Hi friends, I am Tilak, you watching Tech Made by Unique, and today we're going to see how to use draw option on your WPS presentation on your mobile version or mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Now, how to use a draw option in your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show in this video. So I just going to have a blank or like title only. So click on this icon option first and just swipe, and you will see a last option called pen option. So if you just, it is turned on, turn ink off, you just need to turn off this, and you can just click on the use finger option. So now you can just use finger to scribble, or you can just use as highlighter, or this is the eraser, so you can just erase whatever you just needed. So this is how you just use the pen or drawing option. So you can just change the color. For an example, I just going to change this to this, or just change this scribble color to red color. So you can just scribble it on the red color, and also you can just increase the size. You can see it's having a 4 different size of sketch color, so you can just increase it and you can just scribble like this. This is how you just use the draw option on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made by Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.